Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. This is an introduction lesson. My name is Badamosi Idris, and I will be taking you on this learner's journey to understanding the concept of storyboarding. This lesson covers the very basics of storyboarding and is suitable for anyone with little to no knowledge of animation. In this lesson, we will learn about storyboarding in animation using the Storyboard app, a web-based application. The objective for this lesson covers the following. 1. Defining scripting, storyboarding, and examples. 2. Planning a script. 3. Planning a digital storyboard. 4. Creating a storyboard using Storyboard software. The key skills you will also learn from this lesson, which are some of the relevant 21st century skills, will help prepare you for your future workplace. They are storytelling, critical thinking, creativity, and communication. Scripting involves creating an outline for all of the events taking place in an animation. Writing a script also means detailing all of the audio, such as dialogues, sound effects, and music scores. Here is our script. We will be using this script to create a storyboard. It is about a boy and a girl who are discussing about the Brainiacs virtual classes on animation. Now let's learn what a storyboard is all about. A storyboard is a picture in which each part leads to another part and all together they tell a story. It serves as a visual representation of still pictures of what your film will end up being. Our next exercise, we will be using the Storyboard website to build a storyboard out of our script. But first, let's look at how a storyboard is planned. The planning of a storyboard entails the following. First, create the environment and make them into scenes. Secondly, add characters into the scenes. Then, we can add callouts into the scene and let it correspond to the characters. Finally, we will add words from the script in. From this point on, we will be building our storyboards using storyboard.com. We all need to type that into our web address and then click the Create Storyboard key. Now let's navigate to our Chrome browser icon using the mouse pointer. We would highlight it and double click on the icon. On the address bar, we would enter the web address for the Storyboard website. Now, using our mouse pointer, we will navigate and click on the Create a Storyboard icon. After creating a new storyboard, we'll have to choose a scene type. For this lesson, we are creating an indoor scene. To begin, select Home. Next, we'll drag a scene of our choice into the first box. When you click on the scene, you will be provided with a list of options that allows you to edit and style your scene. The options in the Edit Scene tab allows you to make modifications on your scene. Here, we can choose to edit the daytime or the nighttime, which is the time of day. We can either choose to make the bed appear or disappear. We can either choose to make the desk, or we can choose to make the window solid or a transparent one. When you're done making your changes, we'll click on the update scene. Next, we will be adding another scene to the second box. Let's click and drag on this scene here into the second box. We can choose to edit this scene by changing the time of day, or making the chair appear or disappear. I'll prefer it gone. Now, I'll click on update scene and I'll deselect the scene. We will need to add a callout. Callouts are shapes that signify the words of a character. It always points to the character saying those words. To add a callout, we will click the Textable tab, drag the callout highlighted above. We will place two on each scene and point them to the character. We can edit the type of font we want the callout to have. Drag the callout to a suitable position. Storyboard that automatically saves your work. But to keep it after you close your browser, you would have to be registered on the website to see other features. When you're done registering, you click on the Save button. You click on the Save Storyboard. This would bring a list of options. You can either choose to copy it, you can choose to edit it, you can choose to view saved history, you can choose to print it, or you can also choose to download the storyboard. Now, let us download our storyboard. Let's download it in any of these extension formats. We have image pack, high resolution image, PDF, PowerPoint, social media, and animation. Let us download it as an image pack. You click Start Download and then click on Open. So this is our storyboard. We can always view them here. Thank you for being part of this class, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.